What if I told you that in Uttarakhand, during a modeling event, a man suddenly stood up and told young women, by wearing such short clothes, you're ruining our culture. This is not our culture, stop dressing like this. Sounds absurd, right? Well, it is, because in today's era, a woman has every right to choose her career, to wear what she wants, and to pursue her dreams without being questioned. Hi, this is Khatija and you're watching Lokmat Times. In this video, we are going to talk about a shocking incident of moral policing at the Miss Rishikesh pageant rehearsal, where a right-wing group disrupted the event. We'll break down what exactly happened, what the man said to the contestants, how the women bravely responded, and why this raises bigger questions about women's freedom, choices, and careers. But before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon so that you never miss an update that matters. So the incident took place in Rishikesh, Uttarakhand during rehearsals for the Miss Rishikesh Beauty Pageant, an annual event organized by the Lions Club of Rishikesh. Everything was going as usual until members of a right-wing outfit, Rashtriya Hindu Shakti Sangathan, stormed into the venue.
हॉलीवुड में ना तो वहां जाके क्यों नहीं बोलते आप में दम नहीं है क्या हॉलीवुड के मैं शुरुआत यहां करूंगा क्यों करोगे सर मैं यहां का प्रदेश अध्यक्ष हूं मैं यहां शुरुआत करूंगा जो वहां के अध्यक्ष हूं ओके आप शुरुआत करना चाहते हो आपको नशे वाले लोग अच्छे लगते हैं नहीं लगते उससे बाहर में सिगरेट मिलती है दारू मिलती है जाके बंद करवा दीजिए दुकान में कपड़े मिलते हैं बंद करवा दीजिए मैं कहना छोड़ दूंगी आप बिना छोड़ दो मिलती है शराब भी है पी लोगी नहीं आप जॉब करती हूं और अगर आपको बंद करवाना है तो सारी चीजें बंद करवाइए जीवन में आपको कुछ नहीं मिलेगा But sir, you can't break someone's passion or beauty like this. This is not the culture we are talking about. Excuse me, sir, excuse me. And what should you? This is not our culture. ये हमारी संस्कृति नहीं है और नहीं है ये हमारी संस्कृति नहीं है जिस कपड़ों में
Leading the group was the outfit's state president, Raghavendra Bhatnagar. A video that went viral on social media showing him arguing aggressively with the contestants. He told them directly, modeling khatam ho gayi hai, ghar jao. Don't spoil Rishikesh's culture, this is not our culture. Yes, that's what he said. Asking these young women to stop pursuing modeling because according to him, it was against Uttarakhand's Sanskriti. But the women did not remain silent. One contestant stood up and questioned him back. If you have a problem with our clothes, why don't you go to stop the shops that are selling them? Don't you see smoking, drinking, bars, alcohol? Why don't you stop all that? Why are you targeting only us? This reply hit hard because really, if the problem is with clothes, why not stop the businesses that sell them? If the problem is morality, why not stop alcohol and cigarettes? Why is it always women who are targeted in the name of culture?
No, sir. शॉप्स पे जितनी शॉप्स में कपड़े बिक रहे हैं आप प्लीज ब्लॉक करा दो कुछ भी मुझे कुछ मत बोलो तो आप भी हमें कुछ मत बोलो हम जो कर रहे हैं हमें करने दीजिए मैं नहीं करने दूंगा व्हाई आप अपने घर में करो सो सॉरी सर हम आपके कंसेंट के बिना नहीं चल सकते मैं कह रहा हूं आप अपने घर में करोगी यू आर नो वन टेलिंग मी दिस आप यू बैठे रहो हु आर यू आप यहां बैठे रहो वो पब्लिक बता देगी ओके सर आप यहां बैठे रहो हु एम आई आप यहां बैठे रहो मैं कह रहा आप यहां बैठे रहो मैं शोरूम करूंगा आप यहां ओके जस्ट डू व्हाटएवर यू वांट बस भैया शोरूम कर दो कोई मैं जवाब में बैठो उत्तराखंड की सभ्यता आप लोग खराब कर रहे हो उत्तराखंड से जो लड़कियां भाग रही हो आपसे इंस्पायर होकर भाग रही हैं उत्तराखंड में एक एयरपोर्ट है देहरादून एयरपोर्ट सारी एयरपोर्ट स्कर्ट्स में घूमती है आप वो बंद करवा दो मैं यहां पे कपड़े पहन के नहीं घूमूंगी साड़ियां भी अलाउड है कौन सी एरिया का करवा दे
And here's the point. Whether the clothes were short or long, revealing or not, it shouldn't be matter because who decides what's acceptable? A woman's choice is hers alone, not for a random man to police. But Bhatnagar wasn't done. He told the contestants, do whatever you want at your homes, but don't ruin our culture outside. To this, the women answered with courage. You are no one to tell us what to do. Who are you to decide for us? But the argument grew heated. Bhatnagar kept repeating that he would stop the show. मैं show रुकवा दूंगा. This is what he said. You are ruining Uttarakhand's culture, inspiring girls to run away from their homes.
तो आप क्यों कर रहे हो सर? आप क्यों कर रहे हो? मैं रुकवाने नहीं आया हूँ, आपको थोड़ी रुकवाना है। तो ठीक है, वो नहीं रुकेगा। So I am the contestant, मेरा फ्यूचर, मेरा मैं तो कंसेंट लूंगी।
मैं आपको नहीं बोल रहा हूँ आपने क्या पहनना है, मैं आपको जस्टिफाई नहीं कर रहा हूँ कि आपने क्या पहनना है। दूंगा तो नहीं दूंगा।
आप देखो भैया स्मैक वगैरह ये जो चीजें चल रही है ये बंद करो। वो जो कुछ कर रहे हैं
जो स्मैक बंद करा रहे हैं वो स्मैक बंद करा रहे हैं।
मेरी बात सुनिए, ये जो शो हो रहा है ना पेरेंट्स की परमिशन से हो रहा है, ऐसा नहीं हो रहा है कि पेरेंट्स से नहीं पूछा गया। भैया ये अपना काम कर रहे हैं, ठीक है, ये अपना कुछ कमाने के लिए ना पूरा कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में लिखा हुआ है।
फंडामेंटल राइट्स है उस
अरे मैडम दारू बंद कराना मेरा काम है।
यू गाइस
नहीं है, मैं सूट में जाती तो
मैडम आप बिना परमिशन ये परमिशन ले रखी आपने?
कैसी बात कर रहे हैं सर? विदाउट परमिशन क्या करते हो?
मैं कह रहा हूँ आपने इस कल्चर के
उनके पेरेंट्स को पब्लिक आपको किस चीज की प्रॉब्लम है?
हमें अपने सुधारना है
सर
मैं कह रहा हूँ अगर आप इसे कंटिन्यू करना चाहते हो
आप विदाउट मेकिंग द वीडियो विदाउट कंसेंट ऑफ द गर्ल्स।
मैं कह रहा हूँ मैं कंटिन्यू नहीं होने दूंगा। मैं ये
And then he got another sharp response. At Uttarakhand's airport, air hostesses walk in skirts and shorts. Why don't you stop them? Why don't you stop that? This is our choice, our career, and our future. And then even the organizers stepped in. Lions Club President Pankaj Chandani and Director Dheeraj Makhija defended the contestants, saying these are adults. They have the right to wear what they want. They have their family's permission. Who are you to object? Also, police later confirmed that there were no formal complaint and that the dispute was resolved. Now, importantly, the Miss Rishikesh pageant went ahead as scheduled the next day without disruption. Now, let's pause and think, why does a woman's career or clothing become such an easy target for moral policing? Who decides what culture really is? Is culture about suppressing women, or is it about allowing them to flourish, to explore opportunities, or to build their future? And here's another question. When men drink, smoke, or engage in behavior that is genuinely harmful to society, why don't we see this group barging into bars and shops to stop them? Why only women? Why only their clothes? And why only their careers? This isn't about saving culture, this is about controlling women. And here let's be very clear. Women pursuing modeling, fashion, or any career of their choice does not ruin society. If anything, it adds to diversity, progress, and representation. What ruins society is intolerance, moral policing, and the belief that women's freedom is a threat. So at the end of the day, this incident from Rishikesh is not just about one pageant, it's about a mindset that refuses to accept that women have the same rights as men. The right to wear what they want, to work wherever they want, to build careers, and to chase dreams without interference. These contestants of Miss Rishikesh stood up and spoke back, and their voices mattered. They showed courage not just for themselves but for every woman watching. Now I want to ask you, what do you think? Should anyone have the authority to decide how women dress or what career they choose? Do cultural arguments justify this kind of interference? Tell me your thoughts in the comments below. I would love to know what you think. And remember, women's freedom is not up for debate. See you in the next video.